Hello, John here again with another video. My mate, Mark Commodore Sales, has got a friend who makes these. And what it is, it's a Commodore MAX collection of cartridges. So the MAX was the one released in Japan. And what he's done, he's created a cartridge with a whole rack of games on. Don't know if you can see that there. There we go. Avenger, Billiards, Bowling, Clowns, Golf, Jupiter Lander, Kickman, Le Mans, and etc. etc. And these are all the cartridges you could buy for the Commodore MAX when it was out in Japan. And what he's done, he put me in contact with him and asked him if he could make me a cartridge, and I said that I would demonstrate it on my YouTube channel. So here it is, and it's professionally packaged. I mean, it's really nice, professionally packaged. So we get the cartridge out and we'll plug it into the 64 down here, and we'll switch it on. Right then, we've switched over to the recording device, so you're watching exactly what's on the telly. We'll wait for the info panel to disappear. There we go. And so as you can see, we've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 games. Now, I know some of these with the paddles, so I've got my paddles out, I've got the joystick out, and so we'll just we'll have a blast. So I'm going to grab my joystick, put it in joystick port 2. There we go. Hopefully that's the one. So we'll start off with number 1. Here we go. So press F1 or button on joystick. So press the button. There we go. So we've got the right joystick. proper Space Invaders. Oh, it's been a while since I've used a joystick. I've forgotten how to use it. There we go. Oh, gotta get. Yes! 300 points. I'll have to show you how the pet version of this works. Ooh! Can't shoot their bullets, that's not right. I missed that one. See if I can finish this level off. Yeah, we're doing alright at the moment. Ooh. Get the UFO, get the UFO. Oh! Robbed. Doing alright. Ooh, that was a bit early. Got that one. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah! Right. So that is I think Avengers for the 64. Right, we'll reset. Press my reset button. So, no, that was the Max version. Right, let's try the Commodore 64 version. Ooh, that looks a bit more colourful, doesn't it? Right. So point. Here we go. Ooh, it's more like the Vic, that is, isn't it? Yeah, this one's more like the Vic. bigger targets. Ooh, got it. Didn't think I'd get it. Oh, only 50. Here we go. 50 again. Rubbish. Here we go. Go on. Couple more. One more. A lot easier to hit, these are. Right, that's that one. Right. 7, Jupiter Lambda. Let's try that one. Now I'm not sure I need joystick. Oh, this is the original one. So from AD, F1 fire. Class. Well, I always go for the 5, don't I? So it should be being pushed over. We drop in, slow down the push over. There we go. Oh, just outside. God. Just outside. That's not right. Here we go. Put the left that way too late. way too late. Oh, so close. Right. Oh, too early. Come on, John, you can do better than this. Here we go. Oh! that antenna is not letting me go past, is it? Oh, too fast, too fast! I've got no fuel. Game over. Game over. Yeah. Right. Need practice for that. Right, what's Seawolf F? And I think I need the paddles for this. So let's put the paddles in joystick 2. Let's have a look. There we go. There we go. Taking too long to load my torpedoes. God, these paddles are really twitchy. Whoa, thought I'd missed that one. No, there's no way I'm going to hit that one. You see how they've banded the entire screen and you can just see the flickering. Yeah, got ya. You can just see the flickering between the different colours. We can do that. Oh, didn't have a torpedo ready. Go on, thank you. It always comes on when I need to reload my torpedoes. 1 out, 1 minute 20. Got him. Oh, I'm a lot better doing this. Oh. Go on, go on, go on, go on. Oh, gone off the screen. Oh, gone off the screen. What's the second one for? Oh. Got ya. Cool, I'm doing alright. 39 seconds to go. 9,500. Oh, 2 of them. No, I had to put a mine in front of me. Gotta get 10,000 before it's over. Come on. I can do it. Here we go. Yeah, 10,000. Brown was in. Game over. Yeah, that was alright. Paddles were a bit twitchy. Right, reset. What else we got? What haven't I used? Right, visible solar system. I. Visible FF1. Okay. So, Legend, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. Okay. How do I go up? I wonder if you need the joystick. Let's get the joystick back out. Right. And it's not in port 2. Try port 1. No. Ah, okay. Ooh. Distance from the Sun, Venus. Yeah, okay. Gravity 0.4. Oh, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. Okay. Okay. Have to look a bit more in that. C, pinball. Alright, okay. MD, RE. I wonder if this is a joystick one. No? Oh, hang on. Push. Push. Push what? Oh, but it's paddles. Yeah, I know, I missed. Right, it's not that one, not that paddle. This paddle, there we go. Ooh, bit dodgy there. Break out. Oh, oh, no, you didn't get too bad. Could have made this a bit more visually more attractive instead of it. Ooh. Oh, got that one. In you go. Yay! Got the Commodore logo. Oh, that was quick. Okay. Yeah. Right, what's the next? Let's do one more. We've seen Radar Rat Race, we've seen Amiga, and Money Wars. Hey, what's that? I bet that's Paddles one as well. A speed up. Oh no, left and right. Left and right. A speed up. Run. Whoa. Ah. Okay, here we go again. Oh, got no shields either. Oh, it's chipping away at the walls as well. Run, come on, run! Go, everything's going quicker, it's going quicker! Wish I hadn't got rid of me got rid of me bonus. Try again. One more. Well, I've got my bonus now, so I should be alright now. Ooh, that was close. Didn't see that one coming. God, the simplest of games. Ooh, that was close. $800. Come on. Oh dear. Okay. That's a good one. I like that one. I like that one. Right, that's just to give you an idea of this cartridge that was custom made. I don't know if he's selling them for real or nothing. But if anybody wants one, let me know and I'll get in touch with him. Right, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.